Can you see any difference between these two phone holder stand? Both look the same, yeah, and even the box, okay, also almost same, and the height, okay, and adjustable. The height, this one, the height, yeah, same height. I name this one is A, okay, the A here, and this one is B, okay. I open box, okay, to fix up this phone holder stand. Both of these two, the way to fix up is different, yeah. So, okay, let me show you how to fix up this A and then B. Okay, let's go. For this phone holder stand A, the accessory come like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the B, okay, they come, the accessories is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, let's us to fix up this A phone holder stand. This one we need to push harder inside. Okay, like in this way. Then lock it. Okay, and come to here. Okay, we open up this one. Okay, slot in here and put inside. Then you fix to this base. Okay, nice. Now we come to this B phone holder stand. Okay, so the accessory is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, many people they say that they lost one of the accessory. Actually, is hiding inside here. Okay. So we unloose this one first, then push in. Okay, so now I get it softened first. Okay, and then come to here, same like the phone holder A. Okay, oh, forgot to put in first. Okay, we have to put in this side. Okay, then slot in. Okay, lock it. Okay, and then come to this part. This rod we screw in here. Okay, almost finished. Okay, come to here. Now we screw into the base. Okay, nice. Okay, you catch up or not? If you bought the phone holder stand, it's a different installation type. Okay, you can refer to my video. Yeah, and especially for the rod. Okay, some people they don't know where's the rod and complain to the seller, where is my rod? Yeah, I want to return or want to refund. Okay, actually the one of the rod is hiding inside. Okay, thanks for watching.